Hi guys, and Crafty Kimchi, welcome back to my channel. I am back with a project share. I did a little crafting. This is the my outgoing swap for the Love Note swap hosted by Ro. And I will leave all of her handles down below. And I've had a really nice time. It's kind of hectic for me at work, but this was a really super chill group swap. So I just wanted to come on and show you what I made. So I had this love banner that I had made that I want to include. I didn't know how to send it. I was like, maybe I'll wrap it around my little bundle, but we'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna leave this here for a little visual. And our group swap was stacked envelopes, and it was really simple. There wasn't a lot to it, so yeah, it was chill. So this is my little bundle, and there are 5 envelopes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 envelopes. And I made a checklist of all the things I was supposed to do, but I'm just gonna take out the envelopes and show you each and every one. And basically what I did was take this really pretty, I don't know what you call this, but it feels like stretchy seam binding, if I had to say. I purchased this a while ago, and this pink is just perfect. And this little puffy heart went so perfectly with it, so I had to add it. And we had to create paper clips. So if you can kind of see, these are my paper clips. So I'm going to start with the little bundle first here. This is a little envelope, and I just stitched some polymer clay XOXO, but I did it upside down, so it's OXOX. Same. But this is a little paper clip, and actually I cheated with this one because Tony had created this one for me, and then I just added a little dangle on the side. So it's nice to just use things. Anyways, this is my little stacked. I forgot what she calls them, little stacked bundles. And this was mine. So I took various little tickets. I think she had done the tutorial of using a Scrap Diva Designs one. I didn't have that one, so I used various tickets that I had in my stash and kind of did a little sandwich meat. I don't know if you could see that. And just bundled it up and just did a little zigzaggy of, offsets to kind of have it stick out, and then add little bits and bobs and enamel dots to have it stick out. Like you could see the little crystal hearts on the side peeking. This one I covered completely. And then I just added random little hearts to the bundle. Yeah, and that's it. Those are my 2 little emails. I forgot what you call them, stack notes. Something of that sorts. So that's that. And then here is my next paper clip. And then I added this little stacked little dangle. Oh wait, the eraser's the wrong way. That's cute. That's the front and that's the back. I have a lot of these gorgeous, what do you call these? I don't know what they're called, but shabby, dainty pieces. And I was like, I need this. I never get to use these, kind of pretty. So sharing is caring. This one I made a shaker envelope. And then just put those, I love to put clear stickers on the acetate. So you'll see hello love. And then it says follow your heart. And this paper is, I used a mix of papers. I forgot the name completely, but I'll leave them down below. I recently hauled them, and I thought it was perfect. This was like the perfect for the love note swap. These are literally love notes. And this is the stitched hearts. So in here I have 2 shakers, one in pink, one in red. This one is kind of just a layered little heart. I wanted to include. There's no stitching on this. This was a bonus heart, but I thought it was so cute. It's two swans. Did a little rose embossing. Did a little embossing on the swan. This is also a bonus heart, just a little layers as your special day. And then I attempted to create the is it the Maggie Holmes? I believe it's the Maggie Holmes heart. For some reason, this swap, my sewing machine hated me. Like, it was such a struggle sewing. I must have wasted so much thread. But I got through it. I'm glad I have completed yet another swap. Pat yourself on the back, girl, because it's all about your small wins. I can't commit to like full swaps as much anymore, but I'm glad I can make some pretties here and there. This is another one of my little pretties. I have so much like pretty bling that I love opening the box and just looking at it, but I was like, girl, you got to use it. This is another little piece. And then I added it onto like those hairpins. Just love that. And this is the envelope. Very simple, just all stitched. And I add a little faux wax seal sticker. And then this is the sentiments. I think everything had to be fairly flat. That's all I remember from the requirements. It was hard because, but I did add foam to this because I can't send a sentiment without little foam. Like, it's just not cute. So, or not as like, I don't know. I just felt like I wasn't doing enough. So I added foam and then I just attached this to this darling little acetate sheet. Just a lot of love. Love, love, love. So that's that. And I have nothing against flat. I just want to do a little jazz it up, as much as I can. This is my next little envelope. Nothing serious, but this is using, I forgot what these stickers are from. I can't tell if they were from Hobby Lobby, if they're old Michael stickers. I just backed it together and then added this darling little, this is a Maggie Holmes sticker. I don't know which collection, maybe Flourish? But I have a ton of those, so I was like, let me use that. And in here, what do I have? Oh, so we have ruffles, paper ruffles. I just did a couple of different ones. This one is in vellum. This one is a little flower one with some heart tulle. This one is with a little polka dot tulle and the zigzag hearts. Like I said, my sewing machine was giving me a little hard time. And this one's a little bit of a chunky one. I jazzed one up. I had to, for the sake of the craft. This one I just put together. And then I just added a little extra because, it's a swap. I follow the rules for the most part, but Rose gonna laugh because I like to create a little bit big. I am not like those dainty crafters. I don't know how people make dainty flowers or small flowers. That is not for me. That is not for me. This is a little bow that I received in a previous swap. I wanted to use it on a paper clip. Again, it's so adorable. I am truly trying to be a little more mindful this year about using and less hoarding. Anyways, love this paper. Little red heart number, and this is the Memdex. So we're to create a Memdex base. So I had done a big shaker heart memory decks probably for a group swap a while ago. Oh, don't ask me why the ice cream cones are on the side. I cut the paper wrong. But anyways, this is the same memory index that I created for a group swap in a prior like swap, and I designed it. I love this one and I wanted to create it for the next person. So again, you have lots of pretties in here. I don't know how a button made its way in there, but it did. And yeah, it's part of the jingle now. And then I created a little banner. I gave my partner all this like goodie that they could use to basically create the kind of the version that I made. So this is kind of like a banner that goes across. They could decorate it how they want. And then if you see here, there's little hearts. So I gave them 3 jump rings and 3 wire wrap beads so they can kind of dangle it from the little banner. And that was it, guys. That is how simple and chill this swap was. Um, other than me fighting with my sewing machine because she's on a timeout right now because I've been cursing her so much this past. I think it's the thread. And again, this is probably because I'm a wannabe sewer. I have no concept of like what to do with a sewing machine, and I bought a fancy thread and she probably hates it, so that's why she decides to like just eat it up. Just a little hungry little hippo. And yeah, that's my fault. But again, I completed a swap. I'm really proud of myself. I'm going to send this off to Ro so I'm not like delinquent. I hate being late. Um, and I wanted to come on and share with you my little crafts. And I hope everyone is slaying away through their Valentine's Day projects. I'm surely glad that I got to participate in one. Thank you again for hosting, and stay tuned for my unboxing when I get my incoming swap. And that is it for now. Have a good one. Bye.